time.
Hello, it's nice to see you again. I am Miss Shirley. Do you like to eat vegetable and fruit? Your parents will be very happy if you do because they are very important for your health. Today's story is about some fruit and vegetable, and it's called The Watermelon Boat. Are you ready to hear it? Molly the mouse was going to visit her grandparents. Goodbye and be careful,
Bye-bye.
said her mother. The sun was shining brightly. Soon, Molly felt very hot and thirsty. She saw some lovely red juicy tomatoes.
Yummy.
Those will taste delicious. But Molly knew it was wrong to take things without permission. Molly then saw some fresh cucumbers growing. Oh, those will taste good too. But once again, there was no owner to ask permission from. Hey, Molly, Farmer Rabbit called. I have ripe watermelons here. Come and have some. Molly was delighted. Molly ate the juicy watermelon. Thank you, Farmer Rabbit, Molly said. Now I have to continue on my way. Let me accompany you to the river, said Farmer Rabbit. They reached the river, but the bridge had been swept away by the flood. Poor Molly burst into tears. How was she going to visit her grandparents? Farmer Rabbit went back to his farm and made a boat out of a watermelon. Thank you, Farmer Rabbit, said Molly gratefully as she got into the watermelon boat. You're welcome, said Farmer Rabbit as he waved goodbye. Molly arrived at her grandparents' house. Grandma, Grandpa, she called. She was so happy to see them. Thanks to Farmer Rabbit and his brilliant idea, Molly can visit her grandparents after all. Do you like the story? I'll see you soon for another story time. Bye-bye.